This video is common trailer wiring. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what the difference is between a 4-wire system and a 7-wire system. Now there are several differences out there, but the two most common are the 4-way and the 7-way. There is also a 5-way and a 6-way, but they're not as common. Standard 4-way wiring basically gives you a left directional, a right directional, and marker lights, as well as a ground. This system is very easy to connect. Brown wire is your marker lights, green wire is your right signal, yellow wire is your left signal, and of course ground goes to the trailer. However, I have found run a little bit more white wire or ground wire and go to each individual light with that wire. You have far less issues in the future. The other system is the 7-wire system. You still have the white ground wire, the brown marker lights, the green right light, the left yellow light, but now you have trailer brake, auxiliary power, and reverse lights. Not only that, but the connector is a lot more beefy. I'm not going to tell you that you can hit it with a hammer, but it's a very good connection. And most vehicles nowadays do come with the 7-conductor plug, as well as the 4-conductor plug. And there's a lot of vehicles that come with a 7-wire adapter, which plugs into the 7-wire connector to go to a 4-way plug. When I wire trailers, I always go to a breakout box with the 7-way plug. Again, the big advantage is I get the extra features, which again are the trailer brakes, the auxiliary power, and the reverse lights. The advantage of the auxiliary power is you can run some extra lighting, or you can even run a winch to help you haul up that ATV, or even a snowblower or lawnmower. You also have a few more options as far as taillights go. Being able to put the reverse light right in the taillight is a pretty good idea. And then of course I always have safety in mind. Having the 12-volt auxiliary wire as well as the brake capability allows me to put in a breakaway switch. What the breakaway switch does, if for some reason the trailer breaks away, the switch is immediately activated and the brakes are turned on. And the 12-volt auxiliary actually keeps the battery charged. So a breakout box with a 7-connector jack on it is a pretty good idea. You'll also find it in a lot of newer trailers, including small campers, as well as bigger utility trailers. And that's a quick video to show you the difference between a 4-way and a 7-way plug. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe.